That petition has been withdrawn by the petitioner, saying that the petition has been worked out. Based on that, the court disposed of the petition.
But how they have claimed that it has been worked out?
We really don't know. That lawyer only said it, and we don't know how it is worked out.
But sir, government has given 6 months time to decide this matter. It is like that.
Nothing is recorded in the court. Simply sitter he has withdrawn it.
मुजगती पणजे केबल कापपाची कारवाय परतून सुरू केल्या. पणजेच्या एका रहिवाशान खात्याकडेन कागाळ केल्या उपरांत कारवाय सुरू केल्या. ई काशीनाथ शेटये सांगता.
डॉक्टर ऑदित लोबो म्हणटा ताणें काल कंप्लेंट दिल्ली सेईंग दॅट तिजे कितें झाड मारले आनी तिजे फळ हे केले आनी ते केले आनी तिणें सगळें हें केलां आनी आपले काडचें म्हणून. आनी yesterday the matter was there. The matter they have withdrawn. All ISPs have withdrawn the matter. So there is no stay, nothing. And they have not paid a single rupee of us. ते म्हणटात ते चॅलेंज केल्यार स्टे आसूंक जाय. स्टे आसा जाल्यार ताणें आमकां दाखोवपाची. अदरवायज वील कंप्लेन येत जाल्यार आमी क्लियर करपाक स्टार्ट करता. आमी सगळे काडपाचें आतां ते केलें. आतां ताणें ब्लॅकआउट करूं कितें करूं ते इट वील नॉट बी बिकॉज दे हॅव नॉट गॉट अ स्टे नॉट दे हॅव पेड अवर अमाउंट. आमी ते कितें करतले फाटल्या खेपो ताणें ब्लॅकआउट केलें आतांय करा पूण दे हॅव टू पे अस न्हय.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.